Welcome to Colorado Complete Security. This is a tutorial to teach you how to link your alarm systems. This will enable you to toggle between systems without having to completely log out of each system. Here's my home system. As you can see, it says Anderson's Home at the top. From here, we're going to hit Menu in the bottom right-hand corner. And then about halfway down the screen, Manage Linked Systems. Hit the blue button with the plus link. From here, you are going to need to know your username and password for the other system. Mine is a CCS Tech. And then Next in the top right. Next again in the top right. Close, and then your Home button. Now at the top, you have a drop-down menu where it says Anderson's Home. You see Colorado Complete Security. We'll switch over to that. See my guys unlocking the system. It's disarmed right now. And then we'll switch back over to Anderson Home. See my laundry room there. Front door is locked. Garages are closed. Thank you, and please give us a call at 719-505-3903 or check out our website at coloradocompletesecurity.com if you have any more questions. Thank you.